Hey, good morning. Today is Saturday morning, and I'm here at the Kings Hill U.S. Postal Services, where Apollo, the Legion, Charles, is gonna give me some of the T-shirts I order because he has like a business now that can custom print whatever you want. So I put one of the logo I have of Dreamstead of my YouTube channel. I made a couple T-shirts to give to my parents and family. So yeah, I'm waiting for him. He just arrived. I recognize his blue truck. Hey, the legend.
Hey, what's up?
Yes.
Dreamstead.
Yes, Dreamstead. Hey, thanks, man.
How you doing?
I'm good. I'm good. Yeah, everything's good.
Everything good?
So, you want to tell us what you're doing? Like,
So I made
custom?
some custom shirts for my buddy Dreamstead.
Yes, that's the YouTube channel. Yes.
Yes, nice.
So you do custom T-shirt and you sell
printing,
Apollo Legion
printing.
T-shirt. Yes.
Birthday cards, parties, whatever, cups, we're getting there.
Yes.
So here you go.
A young
man.
entrepreneur.
Yes, that's
Yes.
right.
So I'm here, Frederickstead, at Good Morning Sunset Villa. So Charles, the guy who purchased the T-shirt, that's his Airbnb here. So he has glamping over there, and then he has like 2 containers, small containers, and he's fixing also the sheds here. So yeah, so he has a cistern. He's not using it yet. Eventually, I guess. There's chicken and stuff. He has the gas and everything. Yeah, that's good. It's progressing. Nice. That's his place. So I told him that I would come and just check it out quickly. So it's good. There we go. So we're taking a little break at Louis and Nachos, and the view here is always super nice. So the food is good. Louis and Nachos. Look at that.
Very good.
So a little pasta. And Charles has the
Yes, sir.
what do you have, like chicken something?
Mashed potato chicken bowl, I guess. Yeah.
All right.
Very good food, though.
See the view. Life is good. Hey, good evening. So I started doing the 2x4 horizontal. Let me show you. So I'm gonna have one 2x4 on top one in the middle and one at the bottom.